What I really like about robotics and automation at Kansas State Salina is that they let us just go, and they really give us that freedom to let the students flex their creative muscles and really get hands-on with the different equipment.
The Robotics and Automation Engineering Technology program is super diverse in all the various things that we do. We go from working with programming PLCs to working with very discrete electronics to multiple levels of theory.
Some real-world experiences I've had is because that Kansas State Salina is really focused on labs and projects, there's a lot of teamwork. I've learned a lot of valuable team skills working through different projects. It's like a culture, you have to grow with your team members. So it really seems that going forward, that could have some great implications in the working world and in industry.
I actually got hired on by Veris Technologies, and this campus is very unique for that because Veris Technologies as a whole knew the students coming out of Kansas State Salina had experience. Some of the stuff that I've learned at Veris Technologies is applied more to my classes here. I have like more of a general sense of what to do. It's reverse compatible in either way, and it's super nice to be able to go to class and learn about something and then be able to even just have the jargon and the know-how to be able to ask your employer, hey, what is this doing? And he can explain it to you and you can actually understand it. I think that's one of the biggest benefits.
Any questions you have with anybody, you need help with anything, everyone is willing to help. There's tons of different ways that, learning resources, study resources, it's a really great place to succeed.